Assalamu alaikum, my sweet babies. How are you all? I wish and pray you are all safe at your home. Today we will learn about new topics. But before that, we will play a game. Do you want to play a game? Yes? Very nice. In this game, I will do some action. On this time, you will follow me with me. You also do this action with me. Okay? Let's start. Okay, let's start the game. You will do whatever I will do. Okay? Hold something like this way. Are you doing with me? Yes. What is this? Yes? Banana. Very good. Okay, let's see another thing. What is this? Yes? Lemon. Very good. Now see another thing. Now say, what is this? Yes? Chicken fry. Very good. Excellent. Now you, Roxana Miss, will show you a magic. Okay, let's see. Abracadabra, khulja, sum sum. Wow, all are yummy food. Is it? By eating these yummy food, we can remove our hungriness, right? But all this food only remove our hungriness? No, this food also help us to be strong and healthy. Do you know how it make us strong and healthy? Because it has lots of vitamin. Yes, today we'll know about vitamins. Do you know what is vitamin? Vitamin is a part of all foods which help us strong and healthy. And there are 6 types of vitamin. You know? Yes? Okay, say with me. Vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E, and vitamin K. These all vitamins we can get in different foods, and all vitamins helps us in different way. Can you understand? So we need to know from which food we can get which vitamin. Can you understand? Today we will know about vitamin A and vitamin B. Jawad, come to it. Take your seat.
What is this?
Is this?
Yes.
This is a small fish. And this is carrot. And this is big fish curry.
Okay,
Now,
Amma.
let's
No,
start.
I don't eat it.
Which? Small fish? No, Baba. This is very important for you. Because small fish and carrot contain vitamin A. And vitamin A develop your body and protect your skin and eyes. Can you understand? Now let's start your it.
1 minute. Give me some example of vitamin A.
Oh, do you want to know another example vitamin A?
Yes.
Okay, I can see you. Look. Look at this. What is this?
Green papaya.
Green papaya. Yes, this is also contain vitamin A. And look, what is this?
This is milk.
Look, milk. It's also contain vitamin A. And look, what is this?
Egg.
Yes, egg. It's also contain vitamin A. And I have varieties kind of nut. Look,
This is Kaju Badam, right?
Yes, this is Kaju nut. Look. It's also contain vitamin A. Kaju nut. And this is almond. And this is akroot. Look. All contains vitamin A. And we have another nut, peanut. Peanut also contain vitamin A. And all these food build your body and protect your eyes and skin. Can you understand?
Yes, Amma.
So you should eat every day. Look, this is a small fish curry, and this is carrot. Look, this is carrot. Every day in your daily food, you should eat these all kinds of vitamin A foods. It's always develop your body. Can you understand?
Yes, Amma.
Can you understand, babies? We can get vitamin A from small fish, green papaya, carrot, egg, milk, nuts. And vitamin A, all this food helps us to build our body and protect our skin and eyes. Say with me, build our body, protect our skin and eyes. Very good. What are you reading, Baba?
I am reading science.
Oh.
But there is a problem.
Problem? Which problem?
I forget everything.
You forget? For this reason I always say you should eat banana. Look, here is some red banana. You always eat banana because it contains vitamin B. And vitamin B helps you to grow your memory. Can you understand?
Yes, Amma. Amma, can you show me other foods which contain vitamin B?
Yes, I can show you. Look, here is some beans, green
Yes.
beans.
Yes.
Look, this is green beans. It also contains vitamin B. And here is, look, what is this?
My favorite chicken fry.
Yes, this is chicken meat. And any kind of meat. Look, like say for example, mutton, beef, chicken, all kind of meat also contain vitamin B. Can you understand?
Yes, Amma.
And you before, look, milk. Milk contain which vitamin?
Vitamin A.
Yes, milk also contain vitamin B.
Yes.
Look, milk. And look, what is this?
Egg.
Yes, egg. Egg also contain vitamin B. And I said you before, nuts. Varieties kind of nuts. Akroot, almond, cashew nut, and peanut also. All contains vitamin B. Vitamin B helps you to grow your memory and grow your hair, nails. Look, nails. Then protect your skin, eyes also. Can you understand?
Yes, Amma.
And it also protect your stomach also.
Oh, my stomach also?
Yes, so all kind of vitamin you should eat every day. Can you understand?
Yes, Amma.
In babies, now we know about vitamin B. And we can get vitamin B from banana, beans, meat, milk, egg, and nuts. Say with me, banana, beans, meat, milk, egg, and nuts. And it helps us to grow our body and also grow our hair, nail, and protect our skin and eyes. and it also helps us to make our stomach strong. Say again with me. It helps us to grow our body and to grow our hair, nail, and protect our skin, eyes, and make our stomach strong. Dear parents, আসসালামু আলাইকুম। আজকে আমি ভিটামিনের এই ক্লাসটি কিছু রিয়েল ফুড দিয়ে করিয়েছি, কিন্তু আমি ওদের যখন অ্যাসেসমেন্ট নিব তখন এরকম ছবি দেখাবো। যেমন এটা স্মল ফিশের ছবি। ওই স্মল ফিশ দেখে ওরা বলবে এই স্মল ফিশে কোন ভিটামিনটি আছে এবং স্মল ফিশ খেলে ওদের কি উপকার হবে। এজন্যই ভিডিওটি বেশি বেশি করে দেখাবেন এবং যে জায়গাটিতে আমি ওদের বলার সুযোগ করে দিয়েছি ওই জায়গাটি ওরা বেশি বেশি করে বলবে। এবং বাসায় ওদেরকে যখন এই ফুডগুলো খাওয়াবেন তখন ওদেরকে জিজ্ঞেস করবেন যে এই ফুডটিতে কোন ভিটামিন আছে এবং এই ফুডটি খেলে ওর কি উপকার হবে, তাহলে ওরা খেতে খুব মজা পাবে। আরেকটি ইনফরমেশন, এই যে দুধ, ডিম আর নাটস, এই অন্যান্য ফুডে সব ভিটামিনই কম বেশি থাকে, কিন্তু এই তিনটি ফুডে সব ভিটামিন পাওয়া যায়। এই জন্য ছোট বাচ্চাদের প্রতিদিন 1 গ্লাস দুধ, একটি ডিম এবং কিছু নাটস, যে কোনো নাটস হতে পারে, খাওয়াতে বলা হয়। সো ইনশাল্লাহ আগামী ক্লাসে আবার দেখা হবে। সেই পর্যন্ত ভালো থাকবেন। আল্লাহ হাফিজ।